I'm recording.
Emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of Marshall County Office of Emergency Management. Missing person, alert 83-year-old Steve Esslinger is missing from his residence in the area of Richmond Pike and Souls Road 3 miles east of Petersburg, Tennessee. He was last seen wearing a blue shirt, blue jeans, black suspenders, and slip-on tennis shoes. He is 5'8" inches and weighs 160 pounds with gray hair. He suffers from dementia and could be in a confused state. If you have any information that could lead to locating him, please notify our local authorities.